One of the greatest recipes in the world, I don't think you've ever heard of, is called Kaiserschmarrn. So this recipe comes from my mother-in-law, Ricky, who grew up in Austria, Salzburg, which actually came from her mother, Rosa. But it's a traditional recipe all over Austria. And it's a little odd. It's a skillet soufflé. Then you do something entirely nuts. You cut it up into little pieces and you saute it with sugar. It sounds crazy, but it's a fabulous, easy dessert. First step is the batter, kind of like a Dutch pancake. We have egg yolks, we have milk, of course we have sugar, a little salt, vanilla, and we're just gonna whisk that together. Add in the flour, whisk that gently. By the way, a whisk is a good thing to use, even with folding batters together. If you have a nice large tine whisk, if you do it gently, it actually does a pretty good job. So here at Milk Street, there's a debate about egg whites. I'm right, everybody else is wrong, of course. Generally, you want a softer peak egg white than you want a stiff peak, and the reason is it's hard to fold in stiffly beaten egg whites into a batter. There are a few exceptions. We're gonna break up the whites first, and then we're gonna slowly add the sugar. Anytime you're beating egg whites for dessert, make sure you add some sugar to it. That'll give you a creamier, more stable foam. I'm gonna take about a third of it, mix that in. Now this is a very light batter. It should not be that hard to fold in. This is a skillet soufflé, essentially. So we'll start this in the skillet. We'll cook it on medium low for a few minutes. We're gonna get the bottom of this brown nicely and shove it in the oven to finish for a few minutes where the top's gonna rise up. And then we'll bring it back. Okay, now the fun part. Now we're gonna cut this like 2-inch pieces. A little sugar. And now we're gonna have fun. So we're over medium heat now. And we're gonna toss the pieces. The sugar's gonna crisp up a little. We'll get a little more browning in the skillet. And this is the fun part. You make this beautiful skillet soufflé. You rip it apart into pieces. The first time I saw this, I thought it was a mistake. But it's really, really delicious. So Kaiserschmarrn, S-C-H-M-A-R-R-N. Kaiser's king, obviously. Schmarrn means cut up, chopped, garbage. So a little powdered sugar. They love to serve lots of things with jam, including Wiener Schnitzel. You know, I admit, this doesn't look like much because you chop it up and you do it in a skillet, but it's super light like a souffle. It has nice crispy browned edges to it. It's not super sweet either. It's super good. And I think serving with a little jam is also a great idea. This is actually really good.